It took me way too long to find out how to use memory inside Langchain, and it actually is super simple. So let me show you. First of all, I imported my environment variables. We have our OpenAI key inside this. And then I imported from langchain.memory this conversational buffer memory, which I then instantiated. And the attribute that it has is memory key. And in this case, I named it chat history. Now, bear in mind, you can just name this anything that you want to. It could be just history, but you'll find out in a second why this was chat history, and that is because the second element that we need to have a working memory is a prompt template. And this is a very simple prompt template. It has two variables, which are question and chat history, which matches with the key that we gave our memory. And basically all this template does is it says this is the previous conversation that there has been, and this is the new question. And that's all. From this, we then create a LLM chain. We import it from langchain.chains. And this takes a model, and this takes a prompt, which is the prompt that we just gave it earlier. And then it takes a memory, which is the memory that we created earlier. Now, I set verbose to true so that we know what is going on under the hood. And let me show you what it comes out with. So first of all, I asked the model, how long does it take to fly from Milan to Los Angeles? And it said that it depends, but on average it's 12 to 14 hours. And then I asked the same model, without saving anything, because all of it just happens behind the scenes. But I asked it, how long does it take instead to Singapore? And the model said, again, 12 to 14 hours with a layover. As you can see, we have the chat history here. And then I asked it which one takes less time. And the response was the flight to Milan, from Milan to Singapore, typically takes less time as the distance is shorter. But, it already had the context because it was filled in by the memory. So hopefully this was helpful. This was the Bluefort project. Thanks for watching.